Hey, if you want to add fingerprint into the Samsung S24 FE, first go to the settings. Now start scrolling and you will have to go into security and privacy. Now you will have to go for biometrics and go for the fingerprints. Now input your current screen lock and click continue. Click to register, and now as you can see, all you have to do is just to put your finger on this sensor, which is located at the bottom of the screen, and when you feel gentle vibration and when this frames fulfill with the green color, it means that you properly scan your finger. As you can see, you will have to actually try to put it a little bit higher, lower. You will have to scan the right side, the left side, the top side of your fingertip. So it's not working that fast, but you will have to just keep trying until it will be finished. If it is like not working completely, you can try to put here another finger. And now, as you can see, it's finished. You can add it another time, or we can just skip this and take a look. Now the icon will be visible here, and you can simply unlock it. So that will be all. Thanks for watching.